Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our GK quiz number 8. First, literature. Fill in the blanks with the alternative given. First, a very young tree is called a dash. Sampling seedling is called as a sampling. Next, the artist workroom is called a study or studio. It is called as a studio. Next, the meteorological department has predicted heavy rains. RAINS, rains is correct one. Rani Lakshmibai had no dash to the throne. HEIR here is correct. Jack and Jill went up to the hill to fetch a dash of water. Pail, FAPAIL, pail. 6. You should dash what is given except ACCEPT is correct. Next, what should you do? First, to find the product of two numbers, it's called as multiply. To find the sum of two numbers, addition. To find the difference between two numbers, subtract. To make a drinking water germs free, boil the water. To stop the spread of an epidemic of cholera or typhoid, vaccinate. And to develop a good posture, is sit with the back straight without spoon. Now, next, social study. The layer that protects the earth from the scorching heat of the sun is ozone. On either side of the Indian Plateau region are in the western and eastern Ghats. The precious stones from below are rubies, diamond and emerald. The Europeans were called Scythians because good sailors. Next, a state which is small area-wise but has no population is said to be densely populated. Now next, general. Answer the following. Where can you find houseboat in India? It is in Kashmir. Who is popularly known as the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Which part of the body is affected when you have conjunctivitis is affected by eyes and cavity is affected by teeth? Which ancient universities was visited by Chinese pilgrimage? Nalanda. What is trade between two or more countries called? International trade. Now we'll see the next quiz number 9. Answer the following with the help of clues given. First, summer, the season that follows spring. Florist, one who sells flowers. Recipe, instruction for cooking a particular dish. Fleet, a collection of ships. A range, a collection of mountains. Swamp, a collection of bees. And a blade, a single spike of grass. Now mathematics and science. Best directed. Arrange the figures given below in semicircle. You have to arrange the dots like as a semicircle. Draw the diameter and the radius in the circle given below. This full line is called as the diameter and this is the radius. Now identify the picture below. This first picture is horseshoe magnet. Next one is cactus. Next one is tractor and the last one is microscope. This is the horseshoe magnet, cactus, tractor and microscope. Now next, social studies. Answer the following question. Who were the first people to address Gandhi as a Mahatma, peasant of Bihar? Next, where did Gandhiji start his experiment with Satyagraha first? South Africa. Where is the memorial of Kasturba Gandhi? It is in Pune. What does fast up to death protest mean? Abstain from eating till one dies. Next, what was the policy followed by the British rule to India known as divide and rule? Now next, general. Now first, take the right answer. The atom bomb was used for the first time during the World War II. Next question. The highest award given by the government of India is Bharat Ratna. Third one. How many different colors coins are used in carom? It is 3. Next. Sare Jahan Se Achha was written by Muhammad Iqbal. And Vande Mataram is a national song. Now we'll see the quiz number 10. Use the correct punctuation marks and capital letters. Oh, what a pretty dress. Oh, after that exclamation marks, what a pretty dress. Then you have to give the full stop. She said, comma, I am not coming. Next, where is my book? It is a question mark and where W is capital. Rama R, Gita G and Hari H, this all and Sita S, these are the capital and last one is the full stop. Now, I will not be coming, I is capital, I will not be coming is full stop. Mathematics and science. First, lactometer, it is a used for measuring the purity of milk. And then perimeter or triangle with side 3, 4, 5 centimeters, it is the 12 centimeters. Barometers, it is used for measuring atmospheric pressure. And then altimeter, it is the used in aircraft for measuring altitude. Fifth one, area of rectangle with side 3, 4 centimeters, it is 12 square centimeters. Test tubes, it is used in laboratory to conduct experiments. Perimeter of regular hexagon with side 4 centimeter each, it is the 24 centimeters. And next one, graduated jar, it is the used to measure liquid in the laboratory. Now next, social studies. Take the right word. Red Indians are inhabitants of America. Vasco da Gama rounded the Cape of Good Hope and landed at the west coast of India in the 15th century. Trade carried within the same country is referred to the national trade. The city of Varanasi was known as the Banaras in olden days. Ellora caves are in Aurangabad. Now answer the following questions in one sentence. First, when do you say the trade is profitable? When selling price is more than cost price, that time we say that trade is profitable. With which game will you associate Sunil Gavaskar? Sunil Gavaskar is related to the cricket. What does the white flag symbolize? White flag symbolize in peace. Why do fish die when kept in boiled water? Because no oxygen in it. Why are the roots of plants white in color? Because the chlorophyll. Then last one, why are dams built across river to store the excess water? So dear student, you have to write down these 3 cues in your notebook.